Welcome to yet another interesting pattern drafting class. We shall be making this waistcoat today. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe. Share this video with your sewing colleague. So this is our front bodice block, full bodice block. You can see it's written CF there. And this is our back bodice block, the dress block. So at this point by the side, you measure 2 inches, and that is exactly at the bust line. Now you mark it like so. Now at the shoulder, you mark 2 centimeters as well. Now from the center front at the neckline to the base or the hem of the front bodice, you will measure 2 centimeters as well to extend. This is for the button. Using a ruler, connect the straight line like so, and that is going to be for your button stand. At the neck, you also mark 2 centimeters at the neck. You mark it like so, you indicate it there. And that is that for the front pattern. And now we're going to move over to the back pattern. Now for the back bodice block, at the arm's eye, you measure 2 centimeters as well, just like you did the front. You mark it like so. Now at the back neck, you measure 1 centimeter, like I did. And mark it like so. To eliminate that back dart at the shoulder, you just measure the dart, you go towards the end of the shoulder, and then you mark the result of the darts there. Using your French curve, you redraw the arm's eye. The redrawing is supposed to eliminate the darts at the shoulder. From the hemline, you measure 8 centimeters like so, and center back 8 centimeters from the hem on your center back. Using the 8 centimeter measured on the center back, we measure the side back 8 centimeters as well from the hem, just like I'm doing. Now when you bring back the front bodice, and then on the side front, you measure 8 centimeters as well, just like you did on the center back. And at the side back, you measure 8 centimeters as well from the side front. At the center front from the hem, you measure 5 centimeters at the center front and on that elongated stand. That's the button stand. Now at the point where you measured the 5 centimeters, you measure 4 centimeters like so. That is from your button stand, you measure 4 centimeters, not the center front. Now I have gone ahead, you connect the back with the front. Make the connection. You can see this neckline here. I connected it to the bust line to recreate the neck. And then I have cut out or redrawn the arm's eye or the armhole. All this is me recreating what I took measurements for. You can see I have already redrawn the neckline and cut it out, marked it like so. Now this is our back bodice. As you can see, CB, it is what it's called. And I have redrawn the back neckline just like I did the front, and I have also redrawn the arm. That's the back armhole, just like I did with the front bodice. Now you draw the new hemline like so. You connect it. Using a curve, you connect the dots on the center, on the front bodice. Use a curve, please. You use a curve and connect the front bodice with all the points. Now we're going to close the shoulder darts. We have closed the shoulder darts at the center front and transferred the dart from the shoulder to the waist. As you can see, we closed the shoulder dart like so. Then we opened up the waist dart. This is to give it ease. If we had not opened the waist dart or increased it, we wouldn't have had ease in the front bodice. It would just be like you're wearing a kimono without shape. Now this is the back bodice block. As we can see, we've cut out the neckline, the armscye, and everything is perfect now. You can see the front bodice and the back bodice. And that is that for this class. Thanks for coming. Please give this video a like, share, and subscribe.